Yes, good morning, Mahirni.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. What is that, Keshav? What is that jar? Kavi Kartika and Dashwan, good morning.
And good morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good morning. Okay. Come on, all of you. Those are present now. Touch the beak of the bird in the screen. Where is the beak of the bird? Touch the beak of the bird. Did you all touch it? Yeah, parents check whether they are touching it correctly. And then wings. Wings. Where is the wings? Wings. And then legs. 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 Very good. Head. Head. Good. Eyes. Eyes. Where is the eyes of the bird? Yes, very good. Okay, now one by one will tell me what bird is this. Okay, first it is hazel. What bird is this? Hmm.
Eagle, eagle, eagle. Parrot, parrot, owl, kingfisher, pigeon, vulture, hen, parrot, hummingbird.
Very good. Okay, next is Jason. Hmm.
Hummingbird. Woodpecker.
Hmm. Woodpecker.
Hen, right there.
Hmm.
Eating.
Ah. What is it?
Eating.
Pigeon. Ah.
Kingfisher.
Hmm.
Oil.
Hmm.
The parrot. The peacock.
Pa- parakeet.
Parakeet.
Ah.
The flamingo. Eden. The peacock. The sparrow.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Jason. Next is Visha.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Peacock.
இது என்னம்மா குட் மார்னிங் மா சுக்ரீத் கௌதம்
Morning, ma'am.
ஸ்பாரோ குட் மார்னிங் ரத்யாணி
Peacock.
ம்.
Eagle. Flamingo.
ம்.
Parrot and parakeet.
ம்.
Owl.
ம்.
Kingfisher. Pigeon. Vulture. Hen. Woodpecker. Hummingbird.
Very good. Well done. Thank you, Visha. Next is Mahirni.
ம்.
Mahirni.
சொல்லுங்க என்ன பேர்ட்?
Hummingbird.
ம்.
ம்.
Woodpecker.
ம். Crane.
Train.
Hmm.
Vulture.
Vulture.
Vulture. Very good.
Pigeon.
Good. Hmm.
Kingfisher.
Super.
Owl.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Parrot and parakeet.
Parrot and parakeet. Hmm. Flamingo.
Ostrich.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Eagle.
Hmm.
தெரியுமே.
Peacock. Peacock.
Yeah.
Hmm. Sparrow. Very good. Well done, Mahini. Next is Keshav. Good girl. Next is Keshav.
Is.
Say, what bird is this?
A sparrow.
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 Good. Next.
Peacock.
Hmm.
Eagle.
Hmm.
Flamingo.
Hmm.
Parrot.
Hmm.
Parakeet.
Good.
Owl.
Hmm.
Kingfisher.
Hmm.
Pigeon.
Good.
Vulture.
Very good.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. See properly.
Peacock.
What is that? Crane.
Chicken.
Yeah, crane.
Woodpecker.
Good. Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Very good, Makeshav. Next is Dashwan Velan and Kavi Kartika. Both of you.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Crane.
சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க.
Vulture. Vulture. Pigeon. Pigeon.
Starting problem, both of you. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Fish.
Owl.
Parakeet. Parakeet.
Parakeet. Together. Kavi Kartika. Together, say you should say. Flamingo.
Flamingo. Eagle. Eagle. Peacock. Peacock.
Sparrow.
Parrot.
Very good, both of you. Next, Radhyarni. Radhyarni.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Radhyarni, screen பாருனா எங்கம்மா பாக்குற? Come on. What bird is this? Sparrow.
Peacock. Eagle.
Flamingo. Flamingo, not hummingbird. Flamingo.
Parrot. Parakeet.
Owl.
Owl.
Why you didn't learn? Why, Radyani? I've shared the PPT also, right? You should have learned by the time. Kingfisher.
Fisher.
Hmm.
Indian.
Hmm. Vulture.
Also.
Crane.
Red. Woodpecker.
Hmm. Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Maradyani. Next is Ananya. Ananya. Hmm. What bird is this? Hummingbird. Ha, ha.
Hummingbird.
Yeah, CH over there. Ha, ha, hummingbird. Like that you can remember, okay?
Hummingbird.
Ah,
இங்க பார்க்கணும்.
woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Hmm.
Crane.
Yeah. Hmm. Vulture.
Vulture.
Hmm.
பாருங்க.
Hmm. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Hmm.
இங்க பார்க்கணும்.
Kingfisher.
Fisher.
Ananya, you should also learn from the PPT that I have shared, ma. Okay. Next.
Fisher.
Next.
Owl.
Owl. Hmm.
Billy.
English.
English.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Parakeet.
Parakeet.
Ah.
Flamingo.
Good. Ah. Eagle.
இங்க பார்க்கணும். என்ன அல்பபெட்?
Eagle.
Eagle.
Hmm. Peacock.
Peacock.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Most of the birds you didn't say. You have to learn. Monday I'll definitely ask you, Ananya. Okay? Yes?
என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv.
Stop it.
Huh? Stop it. What stop it?
He wants
Come
to
on.
wait, ma'am. That's stop it.
Sparrow.
சொல்லுமா
Parrot.
Hmm.
Peacock.
Peacock, very handsome today, Sukriv. Next.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Flamingo.
Very good.
Parakeet.
Next, parrot and parakeet. Okay?
Owl.
Owl.
ஓகே
Chicken.
இது என்னது கிங்
Kingfisher.
அங்க பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க வாயில ஃபிஷ் வச்சிருக்குல்ல
Kingfisher.
ஓகே
Next.
Pigeon.
What?
Vulture. Crane.
Super.
ட்ரீஸ்ல இருக்கிற உட்ட குத்துதுல அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன
Woodpecker.
வெரி குட்
Flamingo.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Yes, very good, Sukriv Gautam. And finally, Varsha. Varsha is there.
குட் மார்னிங்
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Varsha. Come on, tell me what are the birds here. Come on.
வாட் இஸ் திஸ்
Close the door.
Hummingbird.
Sis.
Hmm. Which bird will draw a hole in the tree, the wood? Woodpecker.
Pecker.
Next. Hmm. Hmm. Crane.
Crane.
Is this Varsha really? Huh? Hmm.
Up till now she was telling and don't know what happened.
Yeah, that's it.
What is this?
Why Varsha? What?
Violin.
Violin.
Oh.
Vulture.
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 Crane.
Hey, crane.
No.
What is it?
Pigeon. Kingfisher.
Good.
Owl.
Super.
Parrot. Parakeet.
Very nice.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
No, ma. Pink color. Only this bird will be in that color, light pink. What is this? Flamingo.
Flamingo. Eagle.
Eagle.
Peacock.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Very good. Thank you so much, Varsha. Parents, I request all of you, after we finish the craft, take a snap along with the craft. Take a snap of your child along with the craft that we have done and send it in group so that we'll upload it in Facebook. Okay? Now stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Ma'am, Rudvin wants to say.
Rudvin. Okay, after Kids Anthem, shall I ask you, Rudvin? Sorry, Rudvin. Join your hands and close your eyes. Mahirni, Kids Anthem.
சொல்லுங்க கித்தி அந்தம் சொல்லுங்க
Pigeon.
You are with me.
You are with me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
My potential and sight.
You are the wings
You are the wing.
beneath my flight.
Beneath my sight.
You define me.
Inside.
You define me. My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge
Today I bless
with all my might.
you.
With all my might.
My potential inside.
Yes, very good. Very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Yes, good morning, children. Keep standing. I'll play you the warm-up activity song.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! your hands. Come on, come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop!
Yes, very good. Any other songs you want me to play, children? Any other songs you want me to play?
Any song? There is song.
Any song you need? What song you want? Tell me.
You want? Okay.
Come on, children. Anyone? Any other song?
Easy one.
Huh?
It was
What, ma? Crazy frog, ah?
Crazy frog.
Okay, crazy frog. But you have to dance. Okay, I'll just play the song and I'll watch how you are doing. Okay?
New L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Cover Foundation. What's going on? Ding, ding.
Do it. Come on.
Bam, bam.
Break it.
Come on, children.
Break it.
Yes. Happy? Yes. Any other songs you need?
Any other song?
Yes.
Vegetable song.
Huh?
Huh?
Vegetable
What
song.
song? What song is that?
Vegetable song.
What song is that? I never played vegetable song.
Vegetables.
What, ma?
Vegetables in the song.
What song are you saying, Sukriv Gautam? Huh?
He's asking Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Incy Spider. That is the rhyme. Any songs or any favorite film songs you want? You want any film songs that you watch it frequently? What song is that?
Believer song.
What, Makesha?
Okay.
Favorite song?
Believer,
Sorry,
believer song.
Believer.
Yes, yes,
Want to hear Believer?
yes. Not really.
Believer. I've never heard that song, Believer. Let me see. Ah. Huh?
I'm from Doctor Film Chellama Chellama song.
Challama Challama song you want? Atti kadaikum.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, the way that things have been. Oh,
Is this a song?
second
yes,
thing,
ma'am.
second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh,
This song you used to
the
hear.
master
Oh
of my
my
sea.
God.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses. Writing my
Gummy bear.
poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty.
Hey,
Achha.
thank you.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear.
Thank you.
With lots of music, videos, and extras.
Gummy bear, okay?
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, 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 lucky gummy bear. Gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, breathing, dancing, singing gummy bear. Oh, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. Yes, I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. You can ride me, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear.
Okay, fine. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Dashwan. Yes, very good, Ma. Hazel.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Maradyani. Very good, Rudvin. Next, Sara is absent. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good, Ananya. Next,
Yeah,
Srikota.
ma'am.
Yes, very good, Sukrikota.
Yeah,
Disha.
ma'am.
Very good, Disha. Next,
Yeah, ma'am.
very good, Kavi Kartika. Very good, Malini. Next, Mitra is absent. Okay. Taruneshwar is also absent. Next,
Varsha.
Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Vihan is also absent. Okay, fine. Okay, what celebration is today, children? What celebration is today? Yes, Diwali. Okay. Yes, Diwali celebration. Okay, as soon as I say the word Diwali, yeah, Diwali celebration. As soon as I say the word Diwali, what do you get in your mind? Diwali நொன்ன என்ன ஞாபகம் வருது? Huh? Crackers. Yes, and then sweets, crackers. Okay, patatas, crackers, very good. And then what do you remember? New clothes. Yes, your parents. Yeah, your parents will buy new clothes, right? And then mummy வீட்ல பலகாரம் எல்லாம் செய்வாங்களா? Yes, they will do. Yes or no? Yes, this is what we do in Diwali celebration. First of all, okay, thank you, children. First of all, happy Diwali to everyone. Okay, here, can you see my screen? Yeah. Happy Diwali to everyone. Okay, this, yeah, this is known as the Festival of Lights. Yes, we take all this festival as Festival of Lights. Diwali is called Festival of Lights. Why we celebrate Diwali is the victory over Krishna's victory over Narakasura. There was a demon called Narakasura and he was torturing people a lot. At that time, Lord Krishna, he fought with Narakasura and he rescued all the people from trouble. Okay, so we celebrate this day Diwali on behalf of that. Okay, and what do we do on this day? We used to burst crackers along with our family. See here, a family, they are bursting crackers, flower pot, and then see here, new dresses. You wear new dresses on that day. And then you share sweets to your friends, relatives, parents, grandparents, everyone. And that's it. Okay, children. So this is Diwali. And I kindly request you children to be careful while you're bursting crackers. Okay, you should be very careful without the assistance of your parents. You should not burst crackers. Okay, keep a bucket of water next to you or a bucket of sand next to you and then burst your crackers. Okay, children. So once again, happy Diwali to everyone. Okay, now shall we do the craft? Yeah, thank you, Keshav. Okay, shall we do the craft now? Take all of you, take your craft. Take your flower first. We made a flower, right? Take the flower first. And then take the diya. Stick it like this. Yes, stick it like this. Take the diya and stick it in the middle. And finally, a strip of paper in that write Happy Diwali and stick it here. At last, you have to draw a hole here and then tie a piece of thread and hang it in a nail wherever you have in your home. Okay, come on, start doing it. Take the flower first and then stick the diya in the middle. Parents, apply the glue to them so that they will stick it. After finishing the craft, along with the craft, take a shot and send it in group without fail. Okay, parents? Where is your craft, ma? Mahini? If you have a stapler, just pin it. Or else if you have a double side tape also, you can stick it in the middle. Very nice, Keshav. Stick it in the middle and then stick that diya. Very nice, Rudvin. Finish and then Happy Diwali strip. Last Happy Diwali strip.
Happy Amma.
Very nice, Jason. Super. Colorful, very good. Finish sticking diya, everyone. Very nice. Just keep it as it's, then only it will stick, okay? Don't lift it, okay? Just press it and then only it will stick. And then let it dry. Next, you have to stick that Happy Diwali strip. Why, Sukhdeep Gautam, you are closing your eyes? Why?
He sticked it, but it didn't stick and it fell off, ma'am. That's why.
Sukhdeep Gautam, it will take some time to dry, okay? கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆகும் ஃபெவிகால் காய வேண்டாமா? Very nice. For that, why are you becoming upset? Just
Ma'am,
keep it down after.
before the
After-
session, ma'am, can you sing him Itsy Bitsy Spider for that?
Yeah,
only
yeah.
he's very- Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
செலிப்ரேஷன்ல கூட உங்களுக்கு ரைம்ஸ் வேணுமா சுக்ரீவா? After you stick it, leave it, children. Then only it will dry. Otherwise, it will fall down. Finish. At last, you put a hole on top and then tie a piece of thread or a satin ribbon, and then you can hang it in the wall. Okay. Yeah, Sukri, very nice, Sukri. Keep it down, it will fall down, keep it down. அப்படி கீழே வைங்க, அது காயட்டும். Okay? Anyhow, you are going to send me the photo, right? He got angry. Very nice, Mahini also, beautiful. Purple color with gold color. Yeah, very nice. Okay, super, very good children. Very nice. Parents along, let it dry. After it had got dried everything, you just take a snap of that along with your child with the costume what they have worn now and then send it in the group. Okay? Okay, that's it. Very nice, Visha. Good. Super. Okay, now children, come on, wish Happy Diwali to everyone, to your friends. Whom are you going to wish Happy Diwali?
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Yeah, Happy Diwali to your friends.
Happy Diwali.
Yes, Happy Diwali. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Okay. And next. Okay. Thank you. This. Yeah. Thank you, children. Okay, Rudwin, can you please stay? Others, thank you so much. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Okay, convey my wishes to your parents too. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, children. Happy Diwali to everyone. Play safely. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sukriv Gautam. Yes, as per Sukriv's wish, I'm going to sing Incy Wincy Spider now. Okay. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay.
Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Yes, happy Sukriv. Yes. I'll see you on Monday, children. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Bye, everyone. Rudvin, wait, ma. Yes, bye. And thank you, children. Yes, bye. And thank you, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, ma.
Okay.
Radhi and Mahini, very nice, dear ma. Radhi. Sorry, Mahini, super.
Thank you.
Bye, ma, Mahini. Yes, bye, Kana. Rudvin,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
bird சொல்றீங்களா?
Bye.
ம்
But
ம் ம் Peacock, louder, Marudvin. What is this? Eagle. Super, ma.
இது
Aha. Parrot. Parakeet.
Wait, parakeet.
Owl.
அது சரி.
Kingfisher.
King
Very good. Next. Pigeon. Crane. Hummingbird.
Bird.
Okay, very good, Marudvin. That's it. Happy Diwali, Rudvin. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Okay, play safely. Okay? Bye, Rudvin.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Happy
thanks.
Diwali, ma'am.
How is இப்போ எப்படி போகுது தெரப்பி ஸ்பீச் தெரப்பி எப்படி போகுது?
போயிட்டு இருக்கு மேம், நல்லா தான் போகுது. பட் ஏன்னா வந்து
இப்ப நல்லா கிளியரா பேசுறானா?
அது வேர்ட்ஸ் கிளாரிட்டி
புரியல.
கிளாரிட்டி வேர்ட்ஸ் கிளாரிட்டி
அது சொல்ல வேண்டியதானே அவங்க கிட்ட?
மேம் சொல்லிருக்கோம், அது பொறுமையா தான் வந்து ரிசல்ட் கிடைக்கும், நீங்க வந்து அவசரப்பட வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. சரி, ஓகே. 2 months கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிடுச்சு மேம்.
சரி,
அது ஒரு 6 months வந்தாதான் வந்து அதோட ரிசல்ட் வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க.
ஓ சரி சரி
பட்
சரி.
இப்போ பரவாயில்ல மேம்.
பரவாயில்ல, எல்லாமே சொல்றான், சென்டென்ஸ் படிக்கிறான், பரவாயில்ல. என்ன விட ரைட்டிங் பார்ட்லாம் எப்படி போகுது?
அது பரவாயில்ல மேம் இப்போ. பட் இன்னும் அந்த கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு அந்த லைனிங்ல. பட் பிராக்டிஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன் மேம்.
டெய்லி எழுத வைங்க கண்டிப்பா. ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே மேம்.
பாய் மருத்வின்.
பாய் சொல்லுங்க. பாய். தேங்க் யூ மேம்.
யா.